case you didn't pay attention to the steps, this was the Viennese Waltz, ladies and gentlemen, and these are the beautiful dancers from the group called Unidance. Weren't they fantastic? Weren't they amazing? If you think so, please clap your hands now. Thank you very much. And it isn't a coincidence that the Viennese Waltz opened this ceremony, because Viennese Waltz is actually one of the symbols of our country, of our culture, and of our history, together with the river Danube, which is situated and it's floating approximately 100 meters from this hall. Actually, I know how you guys like to be precise, so, excuse me. Yes, the river Danube is floating exactly 108 meters from this spot. I know you would appreciate this information. Yes, you can go back. Thank you. Wonderfully done. River Danube, it's really a magical river. It's a powerful river because it has the power. It has the ability to unite people, unite nations, and events such as this one. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the European Union Contest for Young Science